Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Yelp reviews plugin on your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to showcase your business credibility by displaying real customer feedback directly on your site, helping build trust with potential customers. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to elfsite.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, but the process is straightforward and quick. After logging in, look to the left side of your dashboard where you'll find the option to add new app, click on that, and in the search bar that appears, type Yelp reviews. When it shows up in the results, click on it to proceed. This will open up the Yelp reviews widget configuration page. Now you'll see several template options displayed on your screen. These templates determine how your reviews will appear on your website. Browse through them and select the one that best matches your site's design aesthetic. Once you've made your choice, click Continue with the template to move forward with customization. The next step is crucial for pulling in your actual reviews. You'll need to input your Yelp URL in the field provided. This is the web address of your business's Yelp page, and it tells the plugin exactly which reviews to display. Make sure you enter the complete URL correctly to ensure everything syncs properly. From here, you have quite a bit of creative control. You can edit various aspects of how the reviews appear, including the layout, header, individual review display, style, and additional settings. Take your time exploring these options to make sure the widget integrates seamlessly with your website's overall look and feel. Adjust colors, fonts, and spacing until everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click the Publish button. This saves all your settings and prepares the widget for embedding. After publishing, you'll see a confirmation screen. Go ahead and click the Close button to return to your dashboard. Now locate your newly created Yelp Reviews widget in your app list. Click the three dots beside the Yelp Reviews entry to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Embed Code. This will display the code snippet you need to integrate the widget into your Squarespace site. Click to copy this code and keep it ready for the next steps. Next, switch over to your Squarespace website dashboard. Once you're there, click the Edit button to enter the site editor. This is where you'll be making changes to your live pages. Navigate to the section of your website where you want the Yelp reviews to appear. Click on that section, then look for the Add Block option and click it. A menu of block types will appear. Scroll through and select Embed. This creates an embedded content block in your chosen section. You'll notice a new embed block has appeared with a pencil icon. Click on that pencil icon to access the embedding options in the menu that opens. Click Code Snippet, then select Embed Data. This is where you'll paste the code you copied earlier from ElfSite. Paste the embed code into the field provided, making sure the entire code is included without any missing characters. Once pasted, click Save to confirm the embedding. Your Yelp reviews should now be visible within the preview of your page. Finally, click the Exit button to leave the editor and view your updated site. Your Yelp Reviews plugin is now successfully embedded and will display your customer feedback right on your Squarespace website, enhancing your site's credibility and engagement. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.